using the API to check credit balance.
Hello, everyone, and welcome. In today's session, I'm going to show you how to use our API to check your credit balance. It's a very simple process to do, but a lot of our customers do like to see it so they're aware of how many credits they have without logging into the platform. In order to do that, you will need a ZeroBounce account, and you will need credits on your account as well. And you will need a valid API key that is active and is not disabled. And so to do that, you can go into our platform and go to the API section and go ahead and grab your key. Like the other demos, I'm going to use Postman. We have a Postman collection here in order to show quickly how you can use our platform and the API endpoints. And again, you're welcome to program this in any of the programming languages you're comfortable with and your platform's developed in. All we need for this is the API key that you have. The endpoint is here. It's also on our documentation. And so if I go to the documentation and go to the get credit balance, I can quickly get the endpoint. And again, all we're looking for here is the API key, and then we'll replace it with yours and we'll give you back your credit balance. So to do that, I'll go into Postman, I'll paste my API key, and I'll go ahead and send the request. My current credit balance is 7,086, exactly as it would match. I've ran a few files, so I'll refresh my page, but exactly as it would match here in my platform. And so it's a really good, easy way for you to be able to check your credit balance.